Have you ever wondered how apps decide whether an email is spam or not? Or how a bank decides if someone should get a loan? In this video, I'll explain logistic regression, one of the most important machine learning algorithms, in such a simple and intuitive way. No heavy math, just clear ideas and a real example. Despite its name, logistic regression is not used for predicting continuous values. It's actually used for classification. That means it helps us answer yes or no questions like will the student pass or fail? Is the email spam or not spam? Will the customer buy or not buy? So the output of logistic regression is usually zeros or 1, no or yes, false or true. Now you might ask, why can't we just use linear regression for this? The problem is that linear regression can give values less than 0 or greater than 1, which makes no sense for probabilities. Probabilities must always be between 0 and 1. That's where logistic regression comes in. It fixes the problem. Logistic regression uses something called the sigmoid function. The sigmoid function takes any number, big or small, positive or negative, and squeezes it into a value between 0 and 1. So values comes close to 0 mean unlikely. Values close to 1 mean very likely. This output can be interpreted as probability. Here's what's happening behind the scene. The model takes input features, for example, hours studied, attendance, test scores. It calculates a weighted sum of these features just like linear regression. The result is passed through the sigmoid function. If the probability is greater than 0.1, class 1, less than 0.5, class 0. That's how the final decision is made. Let's say we are predicting whether a student will pass an exam. Input will be the hours studied and output will be pass, that is 1, or fail, that is 0. If the model predicts 0.8, that means there's an 80% chance that the students will pass. If it predicts 0.2, that means only a 20% chance of passing. Logistic regression is used everywhere, like spam detection, medical diagnosis, credit approval, customer churn prediction. Even though it's simple, it is very powerful and widely used. So let's recap. Logistic regression is used for classification. It predicts probabilities. It uses the sigmoid function. Output is usually 0 or 1. If you understand this, you have built a strong foundation in machine learning. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple ML explanations. Thanks for watching.